supermarket. Well, his name is Raman. He is a boy. He is going to the supermarket. Ever since he could remember, Raman's mother took him to the supermarket every month to buy groceries and household items. Raman loved going to the supermarket. Here, in every month, mothers took Raman to the supermarket to buy the grocery. Groceries means food items. Everyday food items. Everyday ನಾವು prepare ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ food, ಆ food ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವ items, ಅದು items ಗೆ ನಾವು grocery ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So then Raman also happy to go to the supermarket. He enjoyed walking up and down every aisle, looking at the different product on display. As his mother had told him about the ill effects of eating chocolates, cakes or chips, Raman stayed away from them. Then Raman also enjoyed in the supermarket. He liked to go aisle. Aisle means one type of a passage. A passage ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೆ. So he is like to. Then Raman mother told to the Raman, don't eat the chocolates, cake and chips. It affects to the your health. So he don't go the chocolates, cakes, cabins. As his mother cakes or his chips away from them. Instead, he helped his mother is buying things for the house. Sometimes his new brand of dishwashing liquid would catch his eyes, or a packet of tea he had never seen before. His mother always appreciated the help her son gave her. Then Raman helped to her mother to buying new brand will come na, new dishwashing and tea and then coffee puddies. This all the detergents, all the new brands will come na. He told to his mother, see that cabins having new brands. Then his mother go and take these items. On one such visit, while Raman and his mother were waiting in a long queue at the cash counter, his mother suddenly realized that she had not picked up coffee. She turned to the Raman and said, will you run quickly and fetch a pocket of coffee, please? Raman was more happy and he started walking towards the aisle. Then all marketing is finished. Then Raman mother took all things, groceries. Then he is standing on the queue. ಅಂದ್ರೆ queue ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯೂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Then when she is standing on the queue, suddenly he remembered, I forgotten what she forgotten. She forgotten coffee pocket. Okay. So he said to the Raman, go and bring one coffee pocket. Then I am standing here only. Raman is so happy. Because he loves to go quick. Passage ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ passage ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So he happily run there to take a coffee packet. He looked around and something shine catch his eye. It was a big toy car. He could not resist going near it. Then he goes to that cabin ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. Then he saw one shiny car, toy ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ ಸಾಮಾನು, ಅದು ಟಾಯ್ ಕಾರ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ he is not going. ಬೇರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ, ಅದು ಕಾಫಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ ಟಾಯ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ರಮನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಫಿ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತು. Raman got engrossed in admiring the car. Suddenly he heard his name being called out. Master Raman Roy, you are requested to come to the 4th cash counter. Your mother is looking for you. Then he saw the car. Then he ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾರ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕಾಫಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಮೈಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ. ದೆನ್ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ರಮನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಕೌಂಟರ್ 4 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Sales staff be on the lookout for a 7-year-old boy wearing a black t-shirt and blue jeans. Bring him to the cash counter immediately. He was sent to the tea and coffee aisle. You might find him there. Then sales again one announcement will come for salesman. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಬೇಕಂತ ತಕ್ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಟೀ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟೀ ಶರ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗ, ಅವನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕೌಂಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. He was sent to the tea and coffee SL. You might find him there. Raman ran towards the cash counter without wasting a single minute. Then he heard the announcement. He ran, wasting his time. He ran to the counter 4. His mother was waiting for him, looking worried. She hugged him when she saw him and questioned him for taking so long. Raman apologized and told her that he had lost track of time as he stopped to admire the toy car. Then Raman mommy she saw the Raman. She suddenly hugged to the Raman. Then she asked her, why you get that much of late? Then Raman told, I saw one toy car. It's very beautiful and it's very pretty. So I'm wasting the time. Then he asked her sorry to the mother. 10 minutes later, he and his mother walked out of the supermarket. His mother holding the groceries and Raman holding his new shiny car. Then after he finished all groceries, he walked outside. Then his mother holding all groceries. But Raman what he is having? He is having shiny car. His mother, our mother ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ಟವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. So in this lesson what ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗ್ರೆ